Hello guys, today we're going to be discussing my top 3 tech for under $30. Prices have fluctuated since then, however, I guarantee you that this won't break the bank. I'll have every single item listed down below in the description if you want to learn more. Now, first up for today, we're going to be discussing the light bar by Eastvo. This light bar original price is $37.99. However, it's been on sale for around $30 more or less, and I was even able to take advantage of a $10 off coupon, which made the price to $20. And it's honestly an absolute steal compared to the BenQ light bar, which almost costs more than $100, and it's probably the best value product on this list. The feature set is pretty self-explanatory. You have yourself an on and off button, 3 different light modes by pressing that M button, and you also have warm, cool, and neutral light settings. This technically does have a slider bar in the middle, and that will go ahead and control the brightness. However, I noticed this works when you hold the plus and minus. Overall, for the price, I am very impressed of the quality of the light bar, and I even incorporated as a type of light source alternative for my streaming setups. Lights up my face really well, and it's plenty bright, perfect for taking notes and working. My only complaint is going to be the mounting system. I catch myself having to readjust the light bar every once in a while because the clamp force isn't necessarily strong. I do catch myself a couple of times picking up the light bar just for that, but rocking it back and forth isn't necessarily an issue. Next up on the list is going to be the Creative Pedals 2.0. Not only are these speakers clean and minimal, they're also under $20. They have a 45-degree front-facing speakers with mini subwoofers in the back of it. It also has a volume knob in the front for control and a green light indicator to let you know if the speakers are on. It comes with rubber feet at the bottom to prevent movement from the speakers, which is a nice touch. In terms of I/O, it does come with a 3.5mm jack and as well as a USB-A to power the speakers. You'll need both plugged in order for the speakers to work, and they are wired. The sound quality isn't necessarily something to write home about, but definitely compared to other speakers at this price point is an absolute steal. All in all, it's important to have speakers in your home. I noticed a lot of people in Setup Wars from TechSource and Random Frank P, a lot of people just rock headphones. As someone who is always busy and has a fiance who reminding me to take out the trash every once in a while, it's very important for me to be aware of my surroundings. And also, if you suffer from fatigue and heavy sweat from wearing headphones or earbuds all day, you can save your ears, save your wallet, and get one of these. Last in our list isn't going to be very techy at all. It's actually going to be a screwdriver tech with almost 101 magnetic drill bits. Not only does this kit come with drill bits, it also comes with spudge tools, magnets, suction cups, tweezers, picks for prying open devices. I have a lot of hobbies like keyboards, so I always need a screwdriver in order to open these up and to create my keyboard. And I actually like to open my consoles like my Xbox and my PlayStation 4, to keep monthly maintenance and make sure there's no dust in between the filters. All in all, at this price point at $17, this is an absolute steal. I did own an iFixit toolkit and I do have it at work. However, for around 30 bucks, I would rather get ahead and get something like this for 17 bucks and save myself some money. There's a couple of downsides to this product. The materials are very cheap. The picks not necessarily lasting very long. They went on ahead and only lasted a week of use, and unfortunately for me, they do go by pretty fast. I also did find the tweezers to be very cheap. They tend to close very easily and getting them open kind of sucks. But all in all, that's the only complaints I have with this toolkit. Everything else was perfect and I wouldn't necessarily complain at this price point. What do you guys think of the list? Let me know in the comment section down below of other tech products that should be reviewed. And thank you guys for checking out my first video. You should see more videos coming out very soon. Thumbs for love, subs for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.